Good morning. This morning it's my privilege to do two readings, the first from Scripture and the second from Daily Word called Divine Essence. First, Romans 8:5. For those who live according to the flesh set their minds on things of the flesh, but those who live according to the Spirit set their minds on things of the Spirit. In truth, I cannot fail. My divine nature, the truth of who I am, is not simply a presence within me. It is the very essence of every cell in my body, every thought in my mind. A sense of failure in any undertaking is a fear-based thought in my mortal mind. It has no reality in spiritual truth. Whatever the appearance may be, there is always a lesson, a spiritual awareness that will support and encourage me as I make future choices. I simply become still and rest my attention on God life within. I meet God at the very core of my being. I find solace, passion, joy, and a sense of oneness with all life. Resting in the silence, I hear and see through spiritual ears and eyes. As long as I remember to claim the good in every choice I make, there can be no failure in my life experience. Today, I welcome every opportunity to make a creative choice that perfectly expresses my true spiritual self.